Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming ownership and gathering clues. Check any password manager you use and scan notes, emails, or messages where you might have saved the code. These often solve the problem fast. Try biometric unlock or your most recent PINs and patterns. Don't waste time guessing long strings. Once you exhaust remembered options, make sure you know the Apple ID or Google account tied to the device, plus the recovery email or phone number, before moving to account recovery. You now follow the official account recovery routes. Use the Apple ID or Google account recovery pages to reset credentials via your recovery email or phone. These flows explain the wait times and 2FA steps. If you can accept erasing the device, Find My Device or Find My iPhone allows remote erase so you can set it up anew. If account recovery fails, contact the carrier or manufacturer. Make sure to have purchase info or serial number ready to prove ownership. You finish by choosing Restore or Support. If you erase the phone, sign back into the linked account and restore from your iCloud or Google backup to recover apps and data. This explains why backups are critical. If you cannot reset or verify ownership, contact official support and provide serial, IMEI, and purchase proof. They will guide you through identity verification. And if something goes wrong, avoid third-party unlocking services. They often void warranties and can...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.